Hey everyone. Okay, let me get you in a little. Okay, there we go. So I got my the Stamps of Life stuff in. I've had it in, but I just haven't had time to film it. So we have the big mailbox stamp. That is cute. So, oh, there's the little samples. And this is our freebie. You're pretty much my most favorite person of all time in the history of forever. Oh, cute. I love that. And this is so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I think my new setup is looking pretty smashing. I think I'm liking it, so we'll see. And then you get the coordinating dies. I also have subscribed to the Fold It Club, so let's see what that gets you. So this time we got, make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope. Okay, so we got a bicycle. Cute. So the bicycle, there's the little samples. That's the Fold It. And you get it's a Fold It, so it goes in half. How cute is that? And then you get a matching a stencil. It's not matching, but I guess maybe you can put it in the cart. But it's a stencil. So cute. This, I can't remember, you guys. I think this is like $26, and I think this is like almost $40. So I might have to think about this one a little bit more. So we'll see, but I love it so far. All right, guys, take care. Bye. Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my Stamps of Life, or Stamps of Life. I just did that one. The LaLaLand stamp set and stamp and die set. It doesn't want to come out of the package. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. I don't keep any boxes or envelopes. I do not keep them, so it doesn't bother me to rip into it. So I don't know what this set is. Oh, it's so cute. She's dressed as a skunk. Is that a skunk? Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Okay, oh, she is. She's dressed as a skunk. I love this. So cute. So we have